Hi, today we're going to be taking the unboxing review look at Pokemon Detective Pikachu DVD. This one is the Blu-ray, DVD, and digital code copy. So yeah, what you get in here, there's a special Pokemon trading card inside. It's a Pikachu, which has, a detective hat on it. Henceforth, Detective Pikachu card. And then, the Blu-ray includes Detective Mode. Not really sure what that's about. There's Justin Smith. I'm guessing, going off the name, it might be. Nah, it probably wouldn't be Will Smith's kid, because that was Jaden Smith and stuff. But Ryan Reynolds isn't here. And if you know Ryan Reynolds, he's pretty awesome. The Merc with the mouth, the one that can't be killed, the one that got cancer, but as soon as he gets cancer, he kind of self heals himself, so it's kind of in a alternate F himself kind of loop, type of thing. But it's like, I have cancer, but as soon as the cancer cells grow, they cancel each other out. Deadpool. Deadpool 2. Deadpool 2, kind of like somewhat of the best moments, which is called Once Upon a Christmas or Once Upon a Deadpool Christmas. I seen it and it was okay, but I think I'd rather have the full actual Deadpool 2 movie than Once Upon a Deadpool. Because Once Upon a Deadpool just pulled like some of the clips from the Deadpool 2 movie and just made it into a little bit of a short movie. If you know what I mean. Of course, he was with, what was it? Wolverine versus the Hawk or something. I can't exactly remember the title of that movie. He was on, Spider-Man Web Warriors, I think it was, or the one before Web Warriors. But yeah, and also he starred in the Toon Blast commercials for that downloadable app game called Toon Blast, which he was kind of funny in those commercials. But yeah, Ryan Reynolds as Pikachu, I think would be hilarious. Unfortunately, I didn't actually see it in the actual show when it was released. But what's kind of weird is this movie just been released a couple days ago, just hit the shelves, and all the way at Myers, they had a special deal. They're like, you know what? You could get this DVD that just came out like about, what was it, like 2 or 3 days ago? Not that long ago. Just, I want to say less than a week, hit the shelves. They're like, hey, Detective Pikachu Pokemon movie just been released to, DVDs and stuff. Myers always said, you know what? We're going to drop the price from $30 for, the Blu-ray combo pack. Have a special one for $25. But not only did they cut the price down by $5, so you get a $30 movie for $25, they also throw in 2 free 4-packs of pudding. Yeah. Which, I don't know, that doesn't really make that much sense. Why would you put, pudding as a giveaway type of thing, I would think more, obviously, popcorn would be like, you know what, you buy a DVD, maybe you get Wambockers or, Oreo or something like that, like a box of popcorn. That would make a little bit more sense. Popcorn with the movie, maybe popcorn and a bottle of pop or one of those little 6-packs of pop, Something kind of like, well, you didn't really get to go to the movie to actually see in the show, but you can watch it at home with your microwave popcorn and your bottle of pop. That seems to make a little more sense to me, but oh well. I was like, you know what? For the price and what they're getting you free, I'm jumping on it. I'm buying it. So it had to be the Snap Packs one. That was the brand. So you couldn't get like Jello Pudding Pop or Colshat or any other brand or Myers brand. It had to be the Snap Pack. That was the name of the brand. It could be any one, as long as it was a 4-pack. So I know they just came with some new ones. There was 2 new 6-packs. They were kind of like Rainbow 5 ones. There was one that was a unicorn, and one that was a dinosaur that kind of was tattoos. Those do not count because they're 6-pack. So any other ones that are not 6-pack definitely counts for their promotional giveaway thing that they were doing at Myers. So, a couple of the new flavors that I noticed that came in the 4-pack, I noticed like 5 new flavors. There was I don't know what the flavors were, but it's like a triple one that came in a little cup. But you got like, I'm just gonna say, vanilla, chocolate, and butterscotch. Obviously, it wasn't those flavors, but like vanilla. Then on top, it's chocolate. Then on top of that, it's butterscotch, type of like triple layer thing. Yeah. So those ones with the cis pads, unicorns and dragons. Like I said, those don't count. But those were like the two new flavors. But of course, they were in cis pads, so I was like, hey, they don't count for the special promo. I'm not gonna learn to the flavors of what they were, but yeah, the other flavors that count was triple de leche, so 3 types of milk. I was like, it's just milk. Yeah, okay. The other one was churro flavor. I was like, alright, churro flavor. I'm gonna get some churro flavor pudding. And the other one was banana cream pie pudding flavor. So, yeah, I went with the classic banana cream pie pudding and some churro. So, yeah. Also, something weird is, I looked for this away at Walmart because I was going to buy it at Walmart the other day. They didn't have it. They just had, those little cards, kind of like how you get, like, those Netflix or, those little gift cards type of cards. They had a card like that said, hey, to tell Pikachu, digital. So you buy the physical card, then you scratch off the code, and then you redeem it for a digital copy. I was like, where's, the actual DVD, the hard disc, digital, the hard disc copy? Nowhere in Walmart. I was like, are you kidding me? What the F? Seriously. They had the digital one where you buy the physical card and you redeem it for the digital copy of the movie, but they don't actually have the actual physical copy of the movie. Yeah. But over at Myers, they don't have the digital card, but it had this in 3 formats. There was standard DVD, which, why would I get that? There was this one that came with the Blu-ray, which, I'm a big PS4 guy. That's where, I watch all my DVDs on. I just use my PS4 as my DVD player. Of course, you get the standard DVD and the digital one, so I was like, goes to triple play. But Myers had something that was kind of odd. I was going to jump on it, but then I was like, I better not. They start coming out with, which I also seen at Walmart, 4K DVDs. I was like, what? 4K DVDs? And it's like, yeah, DVDs are now running in 4K. No more, standard DVDs, 720p. No more Blu-ray, which is like 1080 HD, or HDP or something. I was like, really, 4K? I was gonna get it, but then I was like, you know what? I know what I have. I know a PS4 can run DVDs and Blu-ray, so that's why I wanted to DVD Blu-ray, because I was like, you know what, if I buy this 4K and the PS4 doesn't run it, I'm effing the A, because, I had a 4K DVD and I can't watch it because then I gotta go spend like 500 and something bucks on a DVD player that just plays 4K DVDs and stuff. I was like, no. PS4, DVD, and Blu-ray, that's what it plays. That's why I bought this one. But just to let you know, there is 4K DVDs out there. And if anyone knows that if a PS4 can play 4K, please let me know in the comment section. But I was just going to trust it myself and say, I know what my PS4 can do. And that's why I bought, this pad. Because, I didn't want to buy, the $30, which was usually running $35, for the 4K and say, oh, well, guess what? PS4 can only run DVDs and Blu-rays. It can't run 4K. So now I got stuck with this 4K disc that I can't play until I go spend $500 whatever dollars on 4K DVD player. That's what I was like, yeah, I'm going with exactly what I know. I know Blu-ray, DVD, Blu-ray, DVD. That's what my PS4 can play. That's what I went with. So, yeah, but I just wanted to let you know who has what, who has a digital copy and a card, who actually carries the physical copies. There is now 4K DVDs, which I was like, what? And then, what Mars is giving you for the money, which comes out the best deal. I was like, they're taking $5 off of the DVD price, plus they're giving you 2 4-packs to put in. And that was the deal. You could get a 4-pack, but you have to buy 2 of them. Well, you don't buy 2 of them, they give you 2 of them free. So really, you're buying the DVD with a $5 discount, and you're getting 2 free 4-packs put in. So you walk down with a $5 discount on your DVD, and 8 puddings to eat. Because, you know, there's 4 in a pat and you get 2 4-pats. So, yeah. So, you could essentially buy 2 different flavors. Like I said, I bought churro and the banana cream pie. Well, I didn't buy them because, you know, I got it free. What's this? Plus to find out off that Myers was wanting, so Myers is the place to be. So, yeah, this thing has detective mode. Also includes alternate open my Pokemon Adventure, which sounds pretty good. Clearing the world of Detective Pikachu featurettes. Mr. Mind Commentary. That one doesn't sound too good. Ryan Reynolds outtakes the actor studio. That one I might watch. Music video, obviously. Running time is 104 minutes. I'm not seeing anything about regions, so I'm going to guess that it's region free. It does say that it's in English down here, and for some reason, if you redeem the digital code, you cannot redeem it in Canada. Digital movie code is not redeemable on movies anywhere in Canada. So, unfortunately, if Ryan Reynolds wanted to watch the digital copy of the movie where he's Detective Pikachu, he cannot watch himself as Detective Pikachu on a digital copy in Canada, which doesn't make sense. But yeah, strange Canadian laws, eh? And look at the shirt. The shirt's kind of funny because they kind of got it messed up. There's clearly a Pokemon stop that's on his shirt. Yet, as we all know in the real world from the Pokemon Go app,